Hey everybody, it's Sarah from TheStyleBlog. I'm so happy you've joined me today. This video is going to be a DIY lash lift / I'm perming my lashes at home. Okay, so just a little bit about this eyelash perming kit. So I got it on Amazon. It was less than half the price of one lash lift at my local salon. That's usually like 75 to 100 bucks. This is supposed to last 4 to 6 weeks. It curls your lashes until they fall out and your new ones kind of replace them, which is just like the normal life cycle of your eyelashes. It's not going to make your lashes fall out or anything like that. And you're supposed to get 5 to 10 uses out of this box. All right, so all the instructions are on the back, and let's see what's in this box. Ooh la la, it looks so fancy. So in addition to this kit, you're also going to need some of your own Q-tips or something to just apply the serums and then kind of take them off with. Okay, so come on in here really closely and let's get started. Okay, so we have 5 little serums here. First thing first, we're going to use the cleanser, which is number 4, to clean off our eyelashes just to make sure we don't have any oil or makeup left over on them. Okay, since they don't come with anything to actually dip in here, I'm just going to use my Q-tip, dip it right in, and then apply it to my lashes. Okay, all done with the cleanser. I'm just gonna let this dry. Okay, so step number 2 is to apply the eye pads. They came out of this little box right here. It says that there's small, medium, medium 1, medium 2, and large. I'm gonna go with the large with the biggest bump so that I will have more of a curl. All right, so I hope you can see these. This one is the large. It has more of a bump out. This one's small and it just has, you know, it's very thin. I want to get the best result possible, the most dramatic, so definitely I'm going to go with the large. And these are reusable as well, so don't throw these away once you take them off at the end. So I'm just going to apply this on my eyelid here. All right, fits pretty well. Okay, and for this step, we use the glue right here. This glues your lashes to the pad. This does have a little brush in here, which is really nice. This part is a little bit tricky, but I find that if you hold it with one hand and then glue with the other hand, it works a little bit better. Okay, then I'm just going to continue to hold this. It says to let it dry for about a minute, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so the lash glue is dry, so I'm going to apply the Perm lotion now. You want to make sure that your lashes are where you want them to be because once you perm them, that's where they'll stay. And this stuff legit smells like a perm. If you've ever gotten a perm on your hair, I got a perm on my hair one time when I was really little. And it is very, very strong, so prepare yourselves. So the perm solution is applied. It says to leave it on 8 to 12 minutes with plastic wrap. I'm not going to put plastic wrap on, but I'm going to leave it on for 12 minutes, like the longer time of that range. So I'll see you in 12 minutes. Hello friends and welcome back. I know I look like an alien. Try not to blink too much because it seems like if I blink that my eyelashes come off of the pad and I have to push them back on. So it's been 12 minutes since the perm solution. I applied it and it has dried down a little bit. So now I'm applying the fixation lotion. So I'm just going to apply this like I did the other solutions. Just apply it right on top to my eyelashes. Okay, and then it says wait another 8 to 12 minutes for this to dry, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now it's been 12 minutes. Sorry I can't like look up at you guys. But now we're going to apply the nutrition, this yellow bottle. I imagine this is sort of just like a vitamin E oil, something like that. And for this part, we're going to go ahead and take these little eyelash pads off. They come off easily. Your lashes don't really stick to them. I don't have any lashes gone actually, which is great. I feel like a free woman getting those off my face. It was so hard not to look around for like 30 minutes. Okay, here's the nutrition one. I'm gonna take a clean Q-tip and dip in here. I'm just gonna apply this all over my lashes. Okay, then we're gonna go back to number 4, the cleanser, which we used before we even started. And I'm gonna apply this with the other end of this Q-tip here. You're kind of just cleaning off all of the stuff that you just put on your eyelashes. Okay, and so after you apply the cleanser with the Q-tip to your lashes, you just take this little tool they give you. This side has a little bitty comb, and you just comb through your lashes and it will remove all of the extra perm residue. And so what I like to do after I curl my lashes like this is just go cleanse my lashes with my normal facial cleanser, just a gentle cleanser, because I feel like I can't really get it all off with this little cleanser and the brush. So I'll be right back and we'll go over the results. So all I did was apply a gentle CeraVe cleanser around my eye area. I rinsed it clean, patted it dry, put a little bit of concealer back on, and then I just applied my own vitamin E oil to my lashes. Then I'll apply that every night for a few nights here just to make sure that my lashes don't get brittle, but I've never really had a problem with that before. So I didn't mention this earlier, but I applied the large bump on this side for my lashes and I apply the small one on this side. I just wanted to see them side by side to see if there was a difference, and I do feel like there is. So come on in closely and let's see. Okay, so if you can see, this one was the large bump and this one was the small one. I do feel like these look more like a fan and they kind of open up my eyes a little bit more. These are still really curled compared to what they were before. Guys, I wish I had really dark, long lashes so that you could see this a little bit better, but it does really work. Look how curled these are. They look amazing. I love them. These are not quite as curled. I feel like they're more straight out with a tiny bit of curl because I did use the small bump, a small eyelash pad on these. I keep calling them eyelash bumps because they look like bumps, but they're actually the eyelash pads, I think. They just look like those bumpets that I used to put in my hair like 10 years ago. So I would definitely recommend these large eyelash pads because I feel like they work so much better and the results are amazing. I know you can just curl your eyelashes before you put mascara on, but to me that curl doesn't last longer than an hour. These last until your eyelashes fall out and new sets grow in, and they're not gonna make them fall out any quicker. Okay, so what's the verdict? Bum, bum, bum. These actually work super well, and I'm so happy to have an option I can do at home. Being a busy mom, it's hard to run out and make appointments and get to things. I like things that I can do at home, but it does take quite a bit of time. I would say this whole process takes 45 minutes to an hour every 4 to 6 weeks. If you don't have that time and you just wanna drop by your salon and get it done, pay a little bit more. If it's worth it to you, go for that. If you want to try it at home and you have time to spare and you have the patience to do it, it does take just a little bit of patience, but it's not bad, then I suggest you give one of these a try. Honestly, you can just search on Amazon Lash Lift Kit at home, Perm Lash DIY, any of this sort of stuff, and you'll come up with tons and tons of options. Honestly, it's not like I swear by this brand of lash lift kit. I just find whatever's on sale, if Amazon will have a coupon on one, etc. I just kind of get the least expensive one. I feel like they all work the same. I hope you can tell that this gave me awesome results. I don't have to curl my lashes each time before I put on mascara. My curl lasts all day for weeks and weeks at a time. It's amazing. It's so convenient and nice. I love it. If you have any questions, be sure to leave those below. If you have any more products you'd like me to try out and review, please let me know also in the comments. Thanks so much for tuning in. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and I'll see you next time. Bye.